Hello beautiful souls, hope you are doing well. In today's video, I am going to share the DIY hair oil I am using since last 2 years. It will give your hair a good texture, will smoothen your hair and reduce hair fall. Before going to the video, just quickly like the video and subscribe the channel. Don't forget to share the video with your friends and family. At first, I am going to take 200 ml of coconut oil in a kadai and adding 10 hibiscus petals from 2 flowers and 2 buds of the hibiscus flower. Now I am adding chopped pieces of 2 hibiscus leaves. You can skip this step if you are not finding hibiscus leaves around. Now I am adding 10 to 12 curry patta into it. Curry patta is well known for hair growth. In another video, I will share about the curry patta hair mask I am using. It's just give you a fantabulous result. You will shock after seeing the result. Now I am cutting the edges of aloe vera and going to add it in the oil. Cutting the edges of aloe vera will remove the rough portion of the aloe vera, and I have washed the aloe vera previously and dried it with using a piece of cloth. Now I am going to add some chopped pieces of aloe vera. Aloe vera is well known for its goodness for our hair and skin as well. But sometimes use of raw aloe vera can cause itchiness of the skin. So before using raw aloe vera, try a patch test. Now I am adding half teaspoon of methi powder. Instead you can use methi dana paste here. Now I am going to turn on the flame and mix all the ingredients well. When it comes to the boiling point, I am going to cover it and cook it for 5 to 7 minutes in medium to low flame, preferable low flame, so that the goodness of all ingredients can come into the oil. Now the oil is almost ready. Keep the oil into room temperature to reduce the temperature and strain it. Store it in a container and use twice a week for best result. This hair oil is applicable for all the age group of people, but preferably not to use by the children below 8 years. All the natural ingredients are being used here, so no harmful effect will be there. Instead, we can maintain a good hair. I know this will help you all a lot. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel for more such video.